G'day folks, it's DIY Guy 123 here, bringing you another do-it-yourself video. I'm wearing my Mr. DIY branded hat here. Everything's going awesome in the shop. What I've got here is a propane heater. It's not functioning. I'm gonna go through a few things for you to diagnose why your propane barbecue or propane space heater might not be working. So the first thing is, of course, you gotta have propane in the tank. Don't wanna go without that. Next thing, you've got to make sure the hoses are all tightly screwed into your appliance so that it's connected properly. The next thing is, if it's a barbecue, you make sure your burners are in the off position. Then you turn the tank on and you wait for a click sound in the regulator. You should hear a very subtle click. It's in the off position now, it's not running, and I'm going to show you that click. You ready? There, you hear it? So that's the click from the regulator. Now the system is ready to go. There's maximum pressure in the line, and we're dealing with the heater. Now, in my case with this heater, you plug in the fan, which I'm not gonna do just yet because it's noisy. You press and hold this button for 20 seconds, and then you press the igniter button. And what was happening was the igniter wasn't sparking. It's just a barbecue igniter. If you look, there's the button on this side, but if you look on the inside, there's this gray piece right here, and there must be some type of a magnet that is spring-loaded, and there's supposed to be a voltage differential. I think there must be two conductors in this one black wire, and it goes to this little rig right there. I don't know for sure, but I suspect there are two conductors, and one grounds out to the surface of the sparker, the outside edge, and then the other side, the other conductor, goes to this little pin that you see sticking out right there, and it's supposed to spark between the pin right here and where the propane comes out. So that's how it works. Now, what I noticed, and I only noticed this after I took the electric 120 volt motor out of this area, when I press the sparker, watch right there. Yeah, so what's happening is there's a chafe in this insulation right here, or a small microfracture or something, and it's allowing the voltage to jump outside of that to this, which I think is like an overheating sensor, maybe. But what I'm gonna do is snip this zip tie right here, and if I move that black wire away from this wire, I'm wondering, does that resolve the problem? If it does, I'll have to figure out some way to fix it. You can see that spark, and I'm going to show you how this lights up. Fan is running. And there you have it. So, pretty simple fix. You can do the same thing for your barbecue or your propane heater. If you like my videos, please subscribe.